Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day here. I want to do some more analysis on Bitcoin. So I'm sorry I didn't do it yesterday. I just had a busy day. I mean, like shit, man. The terrorists are fucking going crazy. It's a busy day for me. So it looks like we got some sort of impulse down here, and we're looking to make our way down into like this target area I have between 68,000 to 55,000. And there's lots of angry people in the comments. Like I read all the comments. Like my TA is shit. You're an idiot. It's never gonna happen, right? And again, they said this like in the last video. I think I was saying like we're gonna rally up. We're gonna get some sort of pump, and looks like this area was invalidated. Maybe my count was off. Like we can go back and try and retrace our steps here in terms of like in ABC. You can see that we got some sort of corrective move here on the RSI. So that's probably our B right here, and we finally extended into C. Let's see where the target is, right? I had an initial target, could have shifted on a new count, and there you go. There you go. You got it to the tick, right? Or close enough. Actually, right on. So that was your target. I didn't short this, right? But just to show you that these counts work, there you go. That confirms that this was a three swing up. There was no impulse up. It was three moves, which means this was a corrective move. This whole move was corrective, and we longed it, right? If you were inside the Discord, you could have caught the long. I posted all my trades on what's it called on X, but if you were inside, you would have caught this long, right? You could have caught this long. You would have caught. Actually, that was just like a stop out at break even. You would have caught this long, right? The one that we longed from. Oh, sorry, this was the short. Where's my long? All right, I think this was the one right from like 85 to 86, and we had another one right from 80, another one from 85 to 86. We had actually a couple longs printing. So majority of our trades were all in profit. So again, I'm going to post my Q3, right, or Q1 recap and my Q4 from last year, and we've just been making amazing trades. So instead of just complaining, right, and saying like you don't know what you're doing, right, and saying that I'm always wrong, you should probably just look at the facts, the cold hard facts, and is that our trades are mostly correct majority of the time, and we're probably going to get this one right too. So if it retraces back up, we're looking for some sort of corrective pattern. An impulse higher could easily come back up to 86,000. I'm not denying that. I could easily see that happening, right? We're trading in between the spider lines at the moment. So realistically, if it does break back up, you're going to be basing your TA off something else, like probably some sort of like count here that we're going to have. And if this fails again, then you're looking for more downside, right? And again, you just don't need to be mad, right? If you're getting mad that I'm saying that there's probably going to be more downside, you clearly have too much invested in Bitcoin right now. You have too much skin in the game, and you're either underwater, and it's hard to accept, right? And again, I could 100% be wrong, and this doesn't happen, and we just start to shoot up. And if you shoot up, then congrats, right? You don't need to get mad. It's just analysis, and if you don't have it, click off of it. Go watch someone that's going to tell you that everything's going to pump up every single day. It makes you feel good, and then it doesn't happen, and then you just lose money, right? You lose real money instead of knowing what's actually going to happen. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Again, nothing really new here, but the momentum waves have really opened up. So it's clear that we haven't bottomed yet, but it doesn't mean that we can't pump and have these nice green days, right? 4-day time frame looking real rough now. 15 in the -3 and a red dot that has yet to confirm. 3 days to go, and then we'll get a confirmation. The 3-day time frame is going to confirm in 3 days as well. We just printed a new candle, 10 in a minus or 10 in a 0 at the moment. The 2-day time frame pretty neutral, but again, just look at that red money flow. It's spilling over. You got the momentum waves open. Like this doesn't look super bullish. The daily time frame, 14 in a -5, or sorry, -3 on the dual bed strength index. We're really just still chopping about, probably finishing up this connector wave before the real move happens. Still lots of red money flow. The momentum waves are open. The 12-hour time frame, again, big red diamond, and then we didn't really get too much follow through today, and it's going back to neutral. The 4-hour looking pretty good, right? You got a tight momentum wave here forming, no green dot yet, but you got red money flow, right? Not the best. And again, we want to stay bullish and, you know, bearish at the correct times. We don't want to be super bearish at all times. And look at the 30-minute. Now the 30 minutes is printing a red dot, right? Could this move already be done? I actually wouldn't say that. I would say if the A is done here, the B should retrace, and then you'll get a nice target, right, from there on. You tried to break down today, but you recovered, so that's good. Like you managed, crypto managed to hold its own and didn't break like this mini upsloping trend line that we have. It managed to get back above. I think it could easily get back up to 85, 86 before we see this connector start to finish. But again, who knows? Let's just wait for the charts to develop, and then we'll make some trades from there on. Yeah, and 30 minutes printing a red dot. This move could be already coming to an end, and we're gonna retrace back down. Let's see here, wave edge on the daily time frame. Nothing really new. You know, we got that red cross and that big sell off from 88,000. The 4-hour, you got these big buys, right? These big buys that came in, and look what preceded a huge rally, right? We got a nice rally from 81 all the way to 87 again. So just listen to the signals, and then you can see that they were selling ahead of time, and even on the smaller time frames, I believe they were unloading, right? Unloading in this area before the dump happened. And now they're selling again here, so maybe we do retrace back down to like 82,000, and then get a nice bounce from there, and then rally back up, because I think the markets needed a little bit of relief. We've been kind of in the toilet as far as the indices go. Kind of having some trouble stabilizing, but we'll see. So that's basically it. You know, I'm still looking for a little bit more upside before this wave 3 really takes place. It could retrace the whole move. I mean, we don't really know, because the price action hasn't really depicted a connector wave for us just yet. It's still really choppy, so nothing's set in stone. But again, don't forget the bigger picture, guys. The bigger picture. If this is going to happen, if GameStop's going to buy Bitcoin, I feel like they're going to be buying down here. That's just my opinion, right? And these long-term accumulation areas, they do work. Look at this. Beautiful buys, right? And look what preceded after. So if we come down here and we chop around for months or a month or two, like you have so much upside potential afterwards, right? I'm very bullish on some of these altcoins. Like, man, like XRP has just been holding up so well against everything, against all odds. This thing will not break it's like it's holding the lows at $2. It just doesn't want to break any lower than that. But yeah, we'll see. Anyways, that's it for tonight. Have a good night, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next update. Peace.